Hi, I'm Dan Grote, and this is Scott Cody. We're partners at Latitude Financial Group. We're excited to have with us today Ken Dean, who is the Senior Vice President with Advisors Capital Management, to talk about 401k plans and specifically the opportunity commonly referred to as the self-directed brokerage account. Ken, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thanks, Dan. And you?
Doing great. Thanks for joining us. Ken,
My
why don't you
pleasure.
share with the audience just a few words on your background?
Yeah, sure. So I've been in the financial services industry for over 25 years. And the last 15 years or so, my focus has been on helping 401k participants get professional advice from financial advisors.
Outstanding. Well, let's dive right into this here. So,
Yeah.
Ken, how would you describe what a self-directed brokerage account is?
So a self-directed brokerage account is really nothing more than one of the options made available by over 100,000 employers for their employees and participants in their 401k plan.
Ken, why would someone consider choosing or utilizing a self-directed brokerage account?
Yeah, Scott, that's a good question. Most people want help with their 401k. And through that self-directed brokerage account option, again, just another option in their plan, they're able to engage with their financial advisor and get professional money management right on their plan. The self-directed brokerage option also gives them access to other types of investments, which may not have been available in that core lineup that their employer made available.
Excellent. So, does that mean then that they have to do it by themselves?
No, in fact, that's the beauty of it. There are people who want to do it by themselves, but most people, in fact, studies show that 70+% of people want a financial advisor's help with their 401k. And that self-directed brokerage account option is really the way to get that done, really the way to be able to work with their financial advisor.
Thanks, Ken. Why should I add a financial advisor or consider adding a financial advisor to my account?
Yeah, Scott, and this comes down to study after study shows a few things. Studies show that most people want a financial advisor. Studies show that people without a financial advisor on their 401k don't have a lot of confidence necessarily in the investment decisions that they're making. And by adding a financial advisor, studies show that people do better, even though there may be fees associated with having their advisor on their account. So it really does accomplish a few things. It makes sure that your investments are tailored to you as a participant, and you get someone who can answer your questions, hold your hand through volatile markets, and make sure you're on track for retirement on time with additional money.
Uh, Now, Ken, you just mentioned something as a subject is the fees. What
Yeah.
does this cost me as a participant?
Yeah, for getting advice, it's probably going to cost a participant about 1% more or so per year than what their plan costs without that advice.
Okay, great.
And Ken, what types of companies uh, or employers offer these type of plans?
Yeah, so with over 100,000 plans offering a self-directed brokerage account option, there are corporate plans, there are municipal plans, health plans, university plans, and locally those include the state of Colorado plan, UCH, the University of Colorado, Southwest Airlines pilots, United Airlines, most defense contractors, Excel Energy, and more.
Wow. So, how does a participant know if their own company plan offers it?
That's going to vary. Most plans, it's visible when they log into their portal. They'll see a brokerage account option. If they don't see it there, it will be in their summary plan description or in the benefits from their 401k. There should be a benefits section, or just have them reach out to you or to Scott, and you guys will be able to help them track down whether their plan offers brokerage or not.
That's right.
And final question for you, Ken.
Yeah.
How would one go about implementing such an account?
Yeah, and another good question. I mean, at the end of the day, most of the major retirement record keepers, meaning the Fidelities and the Empowers and the TIAAs, Vanguards, and Voyas, make that process really straightforward. It's built right into their login when the person logs in. Remember, this is an investment option that their plan is making available and their employer is making available. But again, I'd still come back to you, Scott, and to Dan for help walking through it and adding management.
Yeah, that's exactly right. It's something that we can definitely help you to navigate what's entailed, and our aim, of course, as always, is to make that as easy on the participant as possible. Scott, for those that are on this video right now, what's the best way for them to get a hold of us?
Yeah, you can email us at info@latitudefinancialgroup.com, or you can call Dan at 720-881-8744. Or you can call me at 720-881-8742.
Excellent. Ken, thank you so much for your time today. We really appreciate this, and I know that our audience appreciates it as well. So thank you, and we just want to wish you all of the best in the new year here.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.